Hi everybody, what's up? So I'm coming with some audio on YouTube after a long time, else it was just some video with some music which I used to upload very occasionally. So traders, I'm recording this video and the purpose for making this video is to give an idea about trading, what it is like, and discussing about it, especially for the people who are new to the markets, who have just started to see it, and who are finding it interesting, and might be thinking about getting serious with it. Some might be thinking to quit their jobs, some might be thinking to get some funds and start trading and making money. So yeah, traders, I will just be covering this type of scenarios. So let's get started. So first of all, if you're coming to the markets, then one thing that you must know is that it is a probability game. So that's right. So in probability, there's no 100%. So no matter how good a trader you become, no matter how good you understand the markets, there's never anything that is sure shot. There is never any outcome that is going to happen 100% of the time. There are variables everywhere, every time. So that is why it is very much important to respect the risks, because in one trade you can blow it off. Everything you have ever made, everything you have built, it might just wash away in one single trade if you do not respect your risk. So it's very important that your bets are under control. The losses that you have planned to give, they should be within your control. Only if when you give small losses, your emotions will be intact. They will not become uncontrollable. So but instead, if you take large bets, then you will be affected by the outcome, and as a result your emotions will come into the factor. They will start impacting you, and because of these emotions you will make compulsive decisions, and these decisions will cost you, and my friend, they will cost you dearly. So trading and markets can be very bad. They can be terrible if the emotions get hold of us. If that happens, then we have seen examples, very bad examples, I must say. People losing their houses, losing their land, losing their family, their wife divorced them, their relatives, they curse him, their children, they don't want to see him, they hate him or her, only because that person did not respect the risk, just because of this simple reason. So trading is not easy. So you can learn technicals, you can learn about the markets, so the stuffs are available everywhere, but to do it successfully, to do it regularly, to do it for some long term, seriously, it's difficult. It's not impossible, but it's difficult. It's not easy. And only the thing that will make it a lot easier is if you are disciplined. Only if you are disciplined, then we have a chance to make it in trading. If not, then nobody can save you, because sooner or later the luck will run out, and when the luck runs out, then disasters can happen. That is why traders, it's very important to be disciplined. It's very important to respect the risk. It is very important to trade small. Like this advice I've given to countless of people, countless of traders, And I've seen examples when people did not follow it, when people trade big in order to, because of greed, because of greed to make big, that's when disasters happen. So, and I don't want anybody to to face that. And another thing that I'll be covering in this video, discussing now, is that you have to understand the market yourself. Don't try to be spoon fed by any other person. Don't go into courses, or or just be influenced by another person so much that you try to imitate him or her, because markets is all about psychology. The person you are, the person you are within, only you know that. The other person doesn't know that. So the market is about finding out who we really are deep inside. It's about finding that and trading and aligning our trading philosophies, aligning our trades, the way we trade with that person. And it can be done only by you. So you cannot follow one person and become successful. It's impossible, because it's you who will placing the trades. It's you who will manage your emotions. It's you who will react to what's happening. So the other person is not going to do that for you. So you have to learn the market yourself. You have to understand. You have to understand. You have to practice. You have to just give time, and you have to work by yourself, not by taking a course or being spoon fed by someone. So when you're starting out, it's important that you learn, but you learn just the surface stuffs. You learn from the YouTube, you learn from any trader that you find good, but after that, and don't think that if you just learn the surface, just learn, you give some time, 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, you'll start making constantly. It does not happen. It is not like that. Maybe if you just place 1, 2, 3 bets, then you might get lucky, following something, and it might work out. But if you're planning to take it seriously, then this will not work out. Only when you have spent a lot of time, countless nights, years working on yourself, working on the markets, understanding yourself, understanding your flaws as a trader, as a person, how the flaws, your past, your trauma, it affects you. It affects everybody, traders, and it all comes out in trading. Only when you sort all those kind of stuffs with you, and then have a trade plan and execute it flawlessly, only then when you start becoming profitable consistently. Or else it's just you make money today, give away tomorrow, or else it is just that cycle. So yeah, traders, so I'm closing the video for now, and I'll be coming up with more such videos where I'll be discussing things more clearly. So yeah, traders, have a great day.